Nobody bring your enforcer. Nobody bring us all the tanker. You know we conquer the tanker. Nobody bring up helicopter. Great thing. Look at this. We gonna rock it tonight. We're really gonna rock it tonight. We gonna rock it. We gonna rock it tonight. We're really gonna rock it tonight. Set up plates playing in the ghetto tonight. Wait up! Great things, Melbourne. Great things, laundry. I got everyone dance all that fun from Jamaica. That's the reason I write out that for people from Jamaica, Jamaica, them things they made like computer. That from the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, and the new millennium keeping it strong. Let it out. We're really gonna rock you tonight. So reggae gonna rock you tonight. We gonna rock it tonight. We're really gonna rock it tonight. We gonna rock it. We gonna rock it tonight. We're really gonna rock it tonight. Set up plates playing in the ghetto tonight. We gonna rock it tonight. We're really gonna rock you tonight. Set up plates playing in the ghetto tonight. We gonna rock you tonight. We're really gonna rock you tonight. Hey, me operator, tell me how do you feel? Won't you play a rubber dub style for me? Play it in a chapter like a 1, 2, 3. You take arm on needle to bend it like ABC. Everybody dancing, people keep on saying, we're really gonna rock it tonight. Everybody dancing and the masses keep on saying, we're really gonna shock it tonight. There's a place playing in the ghetto tonight. We gonna rock you tonight. We're really gonna rock you tonight. There's a place playing in Melbourne tonight. We gonna rock you tonight. We're really gonna whale up select on to the next one. How you feel? Yeah, you don't know. My first time in Australia. So right now tonight, you're in for a treat. Let it go select that. What are we gonna cook? This is not a thought. You're playing with the rubber dub sound. So let me tell you, you little sound boy, it's not your time to play the Bobby sound boy. And let the champion play, cause we will dust you, little sound boy. We gonna cook a lot of sound boys. We cook a lot of sound boys. And let me tell you, you little sound boy, it's not the time to play the Bobby sound boy. Select to run away, cause we will dust you, little sound boy. We gonna cook a lot of sound boys. We cook a lot of sound boys. And let me tell you, I heard you in the dance hall. Your job's not so sweet, but when the champion play, then I stick in my rocket to the beat. You little sound boy, it's not the time to play like Bobby sound boy. Select to run away, cause we will dust you, little sound boy. We gonna cook a lot of sound boy. We cook a lot of sound boy. Like how you do. Wheel up selector. Alright, this next song is dedicated to all the ladies in the house. And to the man them who brought out their ladies, right? You to bring a lady with you? Alright, so this is dedicated to the ladies and the ladies who came out. To the man them who bring them in. Hear this? Well, this one is dedicated. Let it go select. Special dedication to each and every girl. Oh well, oh well. Here by the reason, woman love, it won't disappear. Care by the reason, wanna love you, baby, my dear. Now I'm taking your body in the street. The breeze is rising, don't wanna feel I'm in the wrong place to be. Oh, baby, I'm going to love you just for a night. Seeing, hugging, and holding you tight. Please let me love you with all of my mind. The reason that we're here, the reason that we feel and feel it won't disappear. And after the love game that we're playing, all the illusion will just come for rain, and all the reason starts to fade. Now make me do the water bouncing, baby. You take your time, take your time, you take your time. No need to hurry. You take it easy, you take it easy, you take it easy. No need to worry. Cause if you fall from the race, it's no disgrace. Just pick yourself from off the ground. And make me do the water bumping. Be darling, look how the man them jumping. Melbourne girls, them a rocking. Them just a rock and just a wiggle in a timing. Look how them rocking and them wiggle and a whining. Look how the Melbourne man them jumping. Look how the Australian man them skanking. Them just a skank like some Rican Jamaican. Said it's strange how the world is changing, but it's only love that the woman has plenty of. I give you love of it, me darling, about the talk about kissing. Baby, me give you hugging and squeezing. Me darling, give me the all night love of it. Me darling, you do the thing, you do the thing, you keep your rocking and I take the water pumping. Me darling, I make me do the water pumping. Look how the man them jumping. Australian man them skanking. They just a skank like some Rican Jamaican. Look how the girl them a bubble in a timing. Them just a wiggle and a whining. Pretty, pretty blue eyes. Pretty, pretty blue eyes. This is for the ladies, strictly. Pretty blue eyes. Please come out today so I can tell you what I have to say, that I love you. Love you, a pretty blue eyes. A pretty blue eyes. Please come out today so I can tell you what I just say, that we should love you. Love you, a pretty blue eyes. Pretty, pretty blue eyes. Tell all the guys in the neighborhood, they're telling me that you sure look good, and I love you. Love you, a pretty blue eyes. Pretty, pretty blue eyes. I saw you from my window. My heart keeps on beating. Murderer! The amount of killing and war in the world, and you don't know. Lots of terrorizing, suicide bombing, and all them things. Serious time. Murderer! Them just a fight against show lover, oh Lord. Murderer! Them just a kill one another, oh Lord. And if they fight against your brother, you a murderer. And if they fight against your sister, you a murderer. And on the suicide bombing, them a murderer. And on the shooting and the killing, them a murderer. Murderer! You should not kill one another, oh Lord. Murderer! You should not fight against your brother, oh Lord. And if you fight your little sister, you a murderer. And if you're killing off your brother, you a murderer. And at the war in Iraq, murderer. And when them do up in Syria, murderer. And when them do in Angola, murderer. And when them be young mother, murderer. You should have fight one another, oh Lord. Murderer. You should not kill off your brother, oh Lord. And now they kill killing and the shooting. And all the shooting and the looting. And all them suicide bombing. And then it turns back. I'm on the move, I'm on the right track. I'm moving on the right again, I can't turn back. On the solid rock I stand, cause all them on the ground is sinking sand. I saw the one with the 7 seals. Moses took a rod and fought the sea. Across the sea, I'm on the land. God that lift me over with his mighty hand. From tribulation, tribulation, tribulation. I do my tribulation. No looking back, no turning back. I'm moving on the right again, I can't turn back. No looking back, no turning back. I'm moving on the right again, I can't look back. Upon the solid rock I stand. All them on the ground in sinking sand. I saw the wonder with the 7 seals. Moses took a rod and fought the sea. Across the sea, I'm on the land. God that lift me over with his mighty hand. From tribulation, 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 from a tribulation. What I think is great. Over the ranking just a shoot up the blades. Up, down, 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 all around town over the ranking. Oh, I say, show me your friends and I tell you who you are. You're going by the name of a superstar. Body ranking, you're bound to get that ranking. Oh, I say, body ranking, you're bound to get that ranking. Oh, I say, them was sitting and spoke sensibilia. Love one another and keep out the danger of the ranking. You're bound to get that ranking. Oh, I say, body round down, all around town, body ranking. Oh, I say, up, down, 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 all around town, body ranking. Oh, I say, go down your guns and make me answer fire. Let's fix someone like before your judgment come. Body ranking, you're gonna be get that ranking. Control power. But let me hear you say, whoa, yeah. Let me hear you say, whoa, and yeah, and whoa, and yeah, and whoa, yeah, whoa, yeah, whoa, yeah, whoa, yeah. Number 1. And number 2. And number 3. And number 4. Miss up the whole of your hands. If you look at them, you're not gonna decide me. Even now, there is a massive indication of all that. And the rubber love the melody. And rap. But let me hear you say, whoa, yeah. Let me hear you say, whoa, yeah, whoa, yeah, whoa, yeah, whoa, yeah, whoa, yeah, whoa, yeah. But let me hear you say, whoa, yeah. Let me hear you say, whoa, yeah, whoa, yeah, whoa, yeah, whoa, yeah, whoa, yeah, whoa, yeah. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John, you put the entertaining. Stop playing the game, girl. Number 1, say number 1. Say, are you sleeping? Lightning and thunder, brimstone and fire. All them false preachers. So me say, you're going to church on Sunday. There's no love in your heart on Monday. Right now you're trying to show me that you know yourself. My God, you better purify your hearts and then you know yourself. I say, you better purify your hearts and then you know yourself. Right now,
Glazer. I represent Brooklyn, New York City. So right now I'm going to give you a little introduction and tell you something about my sound. So Melbourne.
Bon sound. Tell them we are bon sound. Variation. Bon sound. Tell them we are bon sound. Tell them we bon variation is a body too. We bon Tell them say I'm moving we come from. 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 New York,
Federation Sound, we represent Brooklyn, New York, and we bring Brooklyn, New York to all four corners of the globe. Johnny Osbourne represents Jamaica, we bring Jamaica to the four corners of the world. You guys know about Brooklyn, right? Make some noise for Brooklyn.
Brooklyn them way up, Canarsie way up, Flatbush them way up, Bed-Stuy them way up, East New York way up, Brownsville them way up, and all of the girls them from Bush Ricochet, Crown's Heights them way up, Max Glazer way up, Kenny
we say way up and we stay up, Federation Juggling. Pick up the grinding family. Alright. We left Brooklyn, and now we headed straight to Jamaica. Via Melbourne. Don't bother, don't bother. Welcome to Melbourne. A prison oval. Barrington Levy called it prison oval. But you see, Chronics.
I grew up in a place called La Vega. Spanish don't blocking over prison over.
Time Chronics, tell them where we come from.
We come from, tell them.
Brooklyn, same time.
That's how we born right on the train line. And I did on a half second, it's a game time. Red on a half, me say me we share mine with them. Share me like a good news. Me love my family like a good food. And I late in the hours and I cook food.
I'm just warming it up for Johnny Osbourne. He's the headliner tonight. So once again, let me see some lighters up in the sky, Melbourne. Light us up, light us up, light us up. All of our clean-hearted people, if you love this music right now, listen.
Put your lighters up, lighters in the air. If you know your heart clean like how we said, I know your heart clean.
So right now I want to see if all my real reggae soldiers march out.
When I hear somebody say, pull up! Yeah! Long live the king. Manifestation. Whoa, 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 whoa. Cha-cha. He's my God and King. Just let the truth manifest itself. God man was made out of love. Forever be to your brother's true love. Cause respect is overdue. But how can I be unfaithful after all the things that Jah has done? Jah, I ain't gonna break my promise to Jah. I ain't gonna break my promise to him never. I ain't gonna break my promise to Jah. I ain't gonna break my promise to him never. Jah gave the moon that brightens up the night. Oh, how the moonlight glow, and Jah to give you them stars. They twinkle in the sky. Oh, we love them starlight so but how can I be unfaithful after all the things you have done? Jah, Jah, I ain't gonna break my promise to Jah, Jah. I said I ain't gonna break my promise to him and never. I ain't gonna break my promise to Jah. I ain't gonna break my promise to him and never. You people are angry. Can I hear somebody say pull up? Can I hear somebody say pull up? Hold on then. Well, this one. Well, right now we have Studio One. This one is dedicated to Sir Clement, Cox and Dodd. Studio One. I've got on a selection. Let it go selection. It is written, that line lifts the abomination to the Lord. Speak the truth, speak the love, and cause it what the truth. The truth is eloquent, but not as sing. The people want truths and rights. Get at it. Surrender your hearts and not your garments. The truth is there for whoever has to see. Partiality has no place in this judgment. Remember these words of prophecy. I say, children, you come to truth and rights. That's what I'm about. You know the truths and rights. You teach it to the children. I say you know the truths and rights. You teach it to the children cause they should know. No, 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 no. Children say a little prayer every night before you go to sleep. Cause tomorrow is promised to no one. When you think it's peace and safety, Lord, this could be a sudden destruction. And everyone know, yes, you know, wow, Lord.